Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit the fields of the tasks in the Asana app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Asana app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we have our projects, portfolios and goals. From here we just have to go into a project. Let's say it's test 1. From here, we have to switch the view of the project to list view, which we can do in the top left corner. Then under the name of the project, we find the row of different things, and here we find the fields, the rightmost button. And here we can just turn on the kind of fields that we want to have next to assignments. So let's say we want to see when the assignment was created, so we tap on created on. We want to see by whom was the assignment created. We can just tap on created by, and then if we tap on the left side, we can organize the order of the fields. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.